Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. I have an unboxing to show you guys. It's from Owl Paper Co. They are on their own website. I'll show you their cute packaging. How cute, right? Look at the little coffee mugs with the little owl faces. Okay, adorable, adorable packaging. And then I will tell you, she did send me this to unbox and show you guys. She was particularly interested in me because I'm a teacher, so I'm going to be focusing on that aspect as well. You can follow her on Instagram, Owl Paper Journal, so do that, Owl Paper Journal. And then you can check out, they sell their B6 planners in 6-month increments, okay? So I got the one, I think this is July through December, so I'm about to start using this one, I believe. They were doing some kind of a special where I got the simple cover. It's the B6 Night Owl Journal Cover Simple. It was like a coupon code or something. So it's this little folder, and it has a little pen loop, but you guys know I like my little elastic ones. I think it's for a pen. Probably, yeah. So that's nice that that's included as well. Okay, and then the back, look, it says, "For dreamers who do," is what it says. I'm not sure you guys can read that. And then there's a little owl coffee mug in the corner. So that's on the back. Because if you made that the front, that would be upside down. Yeah, so that's on the back. Okay, it came in some cello packaging. The color, what color did I pick? I was trying to give you guys the color name. It's a very pretty coral. And you can see the branding is in that gold foiling. This is an apricot or apricot, however you say apricot. Okay, so it's kind of like a orangey pink coral. It literally has the date stamped on the side. Yeah, July through December 2024. So that's nice. It's very easily labeled for you. It has her branding right there. Night Owl by Owl Paper. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, I thought that was like a piece of paper stuck in there. It's not. Is it? No. Okay, so this is like a nice cover. Okay. All right, so we have, ooh, that's stuck. The inside has that "For dreamers who do," and it has the little owl in a mug on grid paper. And then this is all the index is what it's called. And it's that really thin paper. Kind of reminds me of like Hobonichi paper. So you have a bunch of grids, and then you have some 3 boxes right there. And then you go ahead and you have your month at a glance right at the beginning. I like that. I like the boxes. I like the sizing. There's room for notes. There is page numbers, so that's good for building that index. And then you go into like a notes page. And then you go into August monthly. Notes page. I flipped 2 pages. September monthly. Notes page. October monthly. And notes page. And so on. I like that little space in between. I also like having the months at the beginning. Not just jumping right into the weekly spread. So here is the weekly spread. So there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then it has numbers next to it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's like time of day. So yeah, if you get up at 5 a.m., then that will work for you. I do get up around 5 a.m. Usually I'm more task-oriented than time-oriented. So we'll see how that works for me. And then that's the next week. Okay. So it goes so on. I like the note space at the bottom and top. That's really nice. Okay, I'm going to flip to... Okay, so then it just goes straight into August each week. It changes a different color on the tab there so that you can more easily flip to like the month that you're trying to look at. Okay, so that's November to December. So then we have the rest of these pages are all grid. So it's all dot grid. Now, she has a ton of videos on her Instagram for like ways to use these and be an effective planner and things like that. And then utilizing that index. So I would definitely be looking into that. Now, as far as this, using this as a teacher planner, I don't think I could use it in my seated class, but I definitely feel like I could use it in my online class because I put in like tutoring time and it's very much task oriented. I have to put in about 3 hours of work every day is the idea behind the setup, and I will probably be doing an online class in the fall as well. I know for sure I'm doing one for June and one for July. So I'm going to start using this as my online school planner. I think that will work out best for me, and I'll be able to keep up with it. Let's go ahead and put it in its snazzy cover. I'm going to take the white paper out because I want to enjoy the nice apricot color. I did pre-order January through June as well. I keep thinking there's a piece of paper there, and there's really not. There's really not. It's just me. I just keep thinking there will be. No idea why. Okay. Now you guys get to watch me struggle. Watch me struggle. That's fine too. Hey, if this helps somebody, then yay. I just don't want to bend it. I don't want a big crease on my cover, you know? That would stink. Is there a trick to doing this and I'm just different? Okay, so close it and then wiggle it in. I'm trying to decide if this is more difficult or less difficult than putting on a pillowcase. I think it's just more a me struggle. I need to get an elastic cord, that's for sure. Come on, go slide in there. It's like I get it a little crooked and it freaks out. So I'm not going to have you guys watch me to put the back side in because this was already a bit of a struggle, but I definitely want to keep this planner protected. So then this side will go back there, and you guys can imagine how that looks. So usually you put an elastic cord right here and then you can wrap it around, but I'm pretty sure I have some elastic cord already. So that would work for that, and you can just tie a knot and then loop it over. So it's not that hard to do yourself. But this way you're at least protecting that cover and those corners as far as that one goes. So I hope you guys check them out. It's Night Owl is the planner, and it's by Owl Paper Co. And like I said, you can follow them on Instagram. They are Owl Paper Journal. So Owl Paper Journal. So check them out. And I think that's about it. So yeah, like I said, I'm probably going to use this for my online. If you're more of a person that likes to work on hourly and 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. works for you, then you'll be able to utilize those little numbers in the weekly spread. If not, you can always cover those up, I would think. I would think that you could do that. Anyway, I was really interested to see all of the pages, and every single page is numbered all the way to 206. So it has, I was wondering how this worked because I was like, 6 months of a planner, 320 pages is what you get total. But it's like that way you can keep all of your ideas and lists or grocery lists or things like that or meeting notes can all be in here. So I do see the benefit of this. I do. I really like it. It's really well printed. There's no flaws. The binding is really good. I'm like looking at it. It's really bound really well on the seam there, if that's what you're worried about. But yeah, I would definitely try this out if you're into B6 and you like the hourly. And like I said, the paper is pretty thin, so just keep that in mind as far as like, I would be scared to put stickers on it and peel them up is what I would say. But I think other than that, I think these pages will be fun, especially if you're into like junk journaling or calligraphy or there's something you want to work on. I know a lot of people designate like certain pages to things, and that's what the index is for. It's to help tell you what page to go to get to that information. So definitely utilize that index if you're going to get organized this way. All right, so I'm going to put in the back side and then go ahead and start using this for July. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share this with your other B6 friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!